here at Terminal 21. We're gonna check out one of our favorite places for food.
Terminal 21s are actually all over Thailand. In Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket. You're gonna find them everywhere. They're big malls. Usually the food court, in my opinion, is probably one of the cheapest places to eat in all of Thailand.
Let's check it out and see what we're gonna get into today. I'm pretty hungry.
Follow along.
Right when you walk in, the first thing you're going to see is the cash card plot. You can go ahead and load up if you want, but we like to just look around because they do collect the card afterwards. So it's best just to know exactly how much you're going to pay so you can put the card on and upload that afterwards. So let's look at what we want to eat and then we'll total it up and get our cash card afterwards.
Welcome to Terminal 21, a shopping mall that feels like you're traveling the world. Each floor is themed after a famous city like Tokyo, Paris, or London. But we're heading straight to the top floor where the real gems are hiding, the Pier 21 food court. Trust me, you're gonna wanna see this, so let's go.
This place is one of the best places. They give you a combo set, so you actually get 2 for 1. There's another place that does combo sets, and they're a little bit more Thai traditional. I'll show you what they got going on over here. It looks really good. So they got all these Thai dishes, fresh every day. How nice and clean this is. Thank you. This actually makes you feel like the food is really clean, considering that they're not touching no money. It's only all card transactions. It just makes you feel good about where you're getting your food from. So let's go get our food and see what we got. All you gotta do to pay here, get your little card. And when you're done, they actually take it.
I'm pulling up to my favorite spot here at Terminal 21, and it's the braised pork with egg noodles. Small for 55 or large for 65. I'm gonna go with a large. Scan my card, pick up my food, flavor it, add some spice, add a little bit of sauce. It also comes with this bone broth stew, 10 out of 10. Tender, sweet pork, egg noodle, and a bone broth. Gonna set it up with a little bit of soy sauce, some spicy, some chili, and give it the flavor that it deserves. Let's go. What makes Terminal 21 stand out isn't just the design, it's the experience. You can catch a movie, grab a massage, stock up at Foodland Supermarket, or just chill with a coffee and free Wi-Fi. It's perfect for escaping the heat, recharging, or just people watching from one of the many chill out zones available. Whether you're here to shop or just unwind, this place delivers. And don't forget that the rooftop has some of the best views in all of the city. Let's go.
All right, so we ended up getting, I got the combo set and a fried rice. And his spaghetti Thai, so it's the butterfly seaweed, my favorite in Thailand. They get this beautiful looking mango, yogurt, milk, but yeah, yeah, 45 minutes. And it's actually clean together. It's like so lots of it. It's like, earlier. So we're gonna get in and show you this little piece. Oh, altogether, that's for you was 105, 85. The other sketch, 200. I bought right here. I feel like that's a really good deal. We're under like $7 for everything on the table. That's actually really nice. Well, we'll dig in and we'll check out.
Wait, that was good, man. That meal over. That was good.
That was one of the biggest fried rice that I've ever gotten in Thailand.
And probably one of the most delicious I've ever gotten in Thailand. I'm not kidding.
really, for the 85 for the soup and the rice, that's about the price for just like your normal soup. Like your tom kha or your tom yum would be about 85 to 100
Anywhere on
baht.
the street.
Yeah, so this is actually a really good deal to get the two for that. And the rice, how big it is, yeah, they ain't cutting corners around here.
And you get free AC.
Best part. Best part.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed watching this little video of where and how to eat in Thailand. It's gonna bring you inside and get a little bit better food. Like if you feel like you gained a little bit of value from watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button.
Remember, Terminal 21 is all over Thailand, so you don't have to be in this area of Chiang Mai to enjoy it. You could be in Phuket, but Bangkok, Chiang Mai, everywhere they pretty much got Terminal 21, and it's a really cool local experience because you get to see a Thai mall all in glory, and it's just a really cool theme mall. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun looking around the food court with us at Pier 21. I enjoyed eating this meal. I'm gonna go home and we're gonna go relax a bit. But yeah, subscribe, show us some love.
You got Travel OGs in Thailand showing you how to eat and eat down.